I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford Escape. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure clear visibility and easy access to all controls. Locate the gear shifter, usually a rotary dial or a traditional lever, and understand its positions for park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard indicators and warning lights before you even start the engine. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and confident driving experience. To start your Ford Escape, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal, then either turn the key or press the engine start/stop button. Once the engine is running, select Drive on your gear selector. Remember to release the parking brake, which is often an electronic button located near the center console. Begin by gently pressing the accelerator pedal to move forward. Practice smooth, controlled movements, especially when navigating out of a parking spot or starting from a stop sign. Your Ford Escape comes equipped with several advanced features to enhance your driving. Make use of the rearview camera and parking sensors when backing up or parking in tight spaces. They provide valuable visual and auditory cues. On longer journeys, activate cruise control to maintain a consistent speed and reduce driver fatigue. Explore the different drive modes, such as Eco or Sport, to optimize performance or fuel efficiency based on your preferences and road conditions. These technologies are designed to make your drive safer and more enjoyable. When you're ready to park, signal your intentions and carefully assess your surroundings. Once you've brought the vehicle to a complete stop, shift the gear selector into Park. Always engage the parking brake, even on flat surfaces, to prevent accidental rolling. Finally, turn off the engine by pressing the start/stop button or turning the key to the off position. Ensure all lights are off and remove your key or fob before exiting the vehicle, securing it properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.